Summary. The above presentation we have learned the occurrence of the metals, difference between minerals and ores, then metallurgical process. The metallurgical process can be done by three steps. First step, concentration of the ore. Second step, extraction of the crude metal. Third step, refining of crude metal. In this presentation, we have learned the first two steps, concentration of the ore and extraction of crude metal. Concentration of ore can be done by different methods like hydraulic wash method or fourth flotation method or electromagnetic separation method or chemical leaching method. Then extraction of crude metal can be done by two-step process. First one, conversion of the concentrated ore into metal oxide. Then the metal oxide can be reduced with the help of suitable reducing agent. We can get the crude metal. The remaining part of the lesson, choosing of reducing agent, is explained with the help of elegant diagram and the advantages of elegant diagram, observations of elegant diagram, then refining methods of crude metal, applications of metal can be explained in the next presentation. Assignment work. From the above presentation, I am going to give a small assignment. Assignment work. From the above presentation, I am going to give an assignment work. Book back questions. First one, what are the difference between minerals and ores? Second question, what are the various steps involved in the extraction of pure metal from their ore? Third question, what is the role of limestone in the extraction of iron from its iron oxide ore, Fe2O3? Fourth question, what types of ore can be concentrated by froth flotation process? Give example. We know that variety of ore can be extracted from the earth crust. Which type of concentration method can be adapted for froth flotation process? That is the fourth question. Fifth one, explain the following terms. First one, gangue. Second one, slag. These are the available book back question I am giving in the assignment work. We have lot of book in questions also. It will be discussed in next presentation. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening my presentation.